Had this dynamo 340-210 pump on a pentaire system. The motor's still fine, but the pump housing and then the pre-filter developed multiple leaks, and it was just cost prohibitive to replace all the parts, and this pump is now considered obsolete. So here's what I got. And it doesn't matter whether it's an above ground or in-ground pool, as long as it's this pentaire system. This Vevor pump is an exact swap-in replacement. So here you can hear it running. It's basically self-priming, very quiet. Flow rate is possibly a little bit higher than that other one. It even fit into the holder